Hi, as Lord Mayor, I want to revisit and advise residents on the decisions our council has taken over the past week and the services we continue to maintain during this difficult time. It's hard to believe we are now at the end of March. The brighter evenings have begun and we are moving closer to Easter. And clearly it will be both a very different and very difficult time for us all. But to start, I want to commend our incredible essential workers, especially our waste collection staff who are providing a vital service for our citizens. As a council, we are committed to ensure this essential service is maintained while responding to a fast-changing situation. I would ask you to please bear with us, put your bin out the night before and support our staff by following the hygiene waste guidelines, by wiping the handles before and after your bin has been emptied. To support the government and in line with public health advice on social distancing, we have taken a number of additional measures in the past week, most notably closing our parks and recycling centres. We have also suspended registration services for births and marriages, and the DFI Minister has removed charges for all council-owned car parks. In respect of the registration of deaths, please check our website for the latest information. Construction work at the South Lake Leisure Centre has been suspended by the contractor, but we are striving to work with everyone involved to try and ensure the building will still open in August. But obviously this will be dependent on public health advices at that time. You may already be aware that from today, Council has closed its cemeteries. This decision has been taken to comply with new legislation introduced by the Northern Ireland Executive to curb the spread of COVID-19. I know this is a very stringent measure and one which is very emotive and upsetting, and I am conscious this will have a big impact on many in our community. However, as a council, we have had to adjust how we manage our cemetery services to ensure we protect the whole community at this time. And please be assured that our priority is to protect the people of our borough during the days and weeks ahead. Over the past week, we have taken hundreds of calls from businesses for advice and support, and we will continue to provide that guidance during this difficult time. Thomson Aero Seating's announcement of 330 job losses on Friday reflects the immediate cancellation of orders and the current situation within the global aerospace sector. Council officers are working alongside InvestNI and DFC to signpost affected staff to other available employment. This is a difficult situation for both the company and its workforce, and undoubtedly a consequence of the impact of COVID-19. Last week, our business support team held an online seminar with Zoom, facilitated by Website NI, and I was delighted to join in and get feedback on how helpful businesses found this. I certainly learned a lot about the wonderful online tools available to keep us all in touch during this lockdown period. We hope to provide more online seminars in the coming weeks, and our business support hub on the website is frequently updated with this information. Critically, over the coming days and weeks ahead, we will continue to support our communities. The response from community groups and organisations has been amazing. Council has compiled a directory of services so everyone in our community can access support in their local area. Our community development team will continue to work on and coordinate a programme of support for these groups, and I want to thank our officers for their valuable work to date. I am overwhelmed by the work of our communities who are helping those who need it the most, and over the coming weeks this will be even more crucial. So if you need help or support, please visit our dedicated coronavirus page on our website. Together with information for businesses and communities, we also have a health and wellbeing hub, which has lots of helpful tips and advice. With lots of recipes, healthy eating advice, exercises and minding our mental health. This is a difficult time for everyone, and the next few weeks are crucial to flatten the curve, protect our elderly and the most vulnerable in our community. I want to thank everyone who is following the public health advice by staying at home, keeping a safe distance from others, washing their hands, and only going out if absolutely necessary. However, I would caution those who I have witnessed ignore the advice and who are continuing to congregate in public areas in large groups. This is unacceptable and places us all at risk, and I would ask that they stop immediately and think of others. The authorities now have powers to disperse crowds, and penalties are in place to act on this, and I would ask that any such behaviour is reported. Finally, I want to use this opportunity to thank our healthcare workers who are working so hard to protect us. And remember, we can help them too, but we must listen to the advice. Our NHS staff put themselves at risk day and daily to look after us, and we must show them the utmost respect by staying at home as far as possible. I am immensely proud of everyone who is working on the front line, and I am praying that they have the strength and good health in the weeks and months ahead. Together we can do this, and together we will get through this. Thank you.